We have Bill Shields live in front of the federal courthouse now. He's been talking to people who have just heard this verdict. Bill, we'll send it over to you.
All right, we've now moved down to the finish line on Boylston Street. I'm with a couple of ladies here, and we just told you the sentence is now death. Good, bad, indifferent? What do you think?
I think it was what was deserved.
Why?
You can't change the lives of those victims now. It's irreparable, and there was no regret in what he did. It was well thought out, and he didn't care how many lives he damaged or killed with his act.
Some people suggested that maybe the Supermax prison in Colorado would have been a better fitting, that it would actually be harder on him than death. What do you think?
I think it would have glorified what he did and inspired other people here to do the same thing. That he could live on and tell his story and get fame and everything else while these families just grieve the rest of their lives or fear even walking down the street from what might happen to them. You can't undo that, and he had no qualms in doing it. He left that bomb and walked away. I'm good with him dying.
Thank you, ladies.
Thank you.
And we've talked with other people here on Boylston Street that have very similar opinions. A couple of guys I talked to a minute ago simply said they were in favor of this death sentence. However, they were concerned about all the legal appeals that will come with this, and that they thought that maybe that was in and of itself something that would not work well for the justice system or the families and the victims. But you just heard these two ladies talk that they were very, very good with that death sentence and for the reasons they gave about the people who died and were people who were injured. So I think the sentiment we're getting on the street so far early on is that the death sentence was the proper sentence. Reporting live from the finish line, I'm Bill Shields. Back to you guys.
All right, Bill, thank you.